once you have been sent an invitation and all, if anyone connected or anyone accepted your invitation, then you can check here. Go to my network connections. It will show that okay, any person has been connected or not. Is it is connected recently? One person has been accepted your invitation. Okay, like this we can able to get a connected from the others also. For example, if you are looking for a job, then what you can do, you can go to a jobs here. Okay, then you can search the job by company, or you can search the job by a title or a skill. Okay, you can search for the jobs from the different company. Directly you can apply to that particular job by selecting here apply button. Okay, once you have been selected apply button, you can say continue. They will view your profile. As of now I don't want to apply to this particular job. Okay, so like this we can uh, uh, we can connect with any of the companies. Okay, any of the job you can search here itself in a job portal. You can search here itself, okay, by using different, okay, like training manager, sales, like this you can check the jobs here. The different jobs are here, okay, on left hand side. Okay, which one you like, you can select them and you can say apply to that particular job. You can apply to that particular job. Similarly you can uh, date posted based on a recent job only, like past 1 week. Okay, then apply, so that you can filter out the job which have been posted recently. Okay, for example experience level, it should be for example you are looking for an entry level, because your experience match with the entry level, then you can check how many jobs have been there for the entry level. Okay, again for result like this, here it will be keep decreasing. For example you have a specific company, then you can use here, you can filter here. And job type, for example only full time or part time you are looking for, you can select that one. Okay, remote in the sense you like to work from home, then you can select this one. And features like under 10 applications only, in the sense only few applications they are looking for, then like this. Okay, so in the sense already how many of them are applied, only 8 of them are applied. For this one only 0 applications. In the sense you will be having a more and more opportunity if you are selecting such type of the jobs, so that you can filter out by using a this filter tab. If you like to clear here. Okay, so that it will give a broad search, like 173 search results are there for a training manager. If you like to filter out, you can filter out by a date, month, like that. Okay, if you are looking for a old post, then there may be a filled up already, 91 applicants are there, so there may be a get already filled. So we have to check for a 1 week or a 24 days. Within 24 days those who have been posted for a in this particular LinkedIn. Okay, like this we can create a job search. We can search for a job, any type of the jobs you can search here. Okay, you can search based on your own requirement, or location wise you can search. Okay, and you can filter out within that this searched job, and you can read all the things they have been posted here, and then only you can apply. And if you like to get a recommendation from similar company again and again, then you can follow that one, so that in home tab they will be notified whenever they have a job openings. Okay, like this we can uh, check the jobs. Okay, we can go with the searching for a job, then use this particular platform to search a job and connect with the those who have been posted a job opportunity, and connect with them, so one or the other will get a job.